Welcome to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. Just a reminder that this video reflects my personal experience with the platform. Shopify, https://www.shopify.com, is a comprehensive e-commerce platform that empowers individuals and businesses to create, manage, and grow their online stores. Offering a user-friendly interface and a wide range of features, Shopify simplifies the complexities of online retail, handling everything from website design and hosting to marketing and payments. Whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur or just starting out, Shopify provides the tools and resources necessary to build a successful online business. From customizable themes that allow you to tailor your store's appearance to integrated marketing tools that help you reach your target audience, Shopify offers a streamlined approach to online selling. The platform also boasts robust inventory management capabilities, enabling you to efficiently track and organize your products. Furthermore, Shopify's secure payment gateway ensures safe and reliable transactions for both you and your customers. With its scalable infrastructure, Shopify can accommodate businesses of all sizes, adapting to your evolving needs as your business expands. Beyond its core features, Shopify offers a vast app store with extensions that can further enhance your store's functionality, from advanced analytics to specialized marketing tools. This extensive ecosystem of apps allows you to customize your Shopify experience and tailor it to your specific business requirements. Whether you're selling physical products, digital goods, or services, Shopify provides a flexible and powerful platform to establish and grow your online presence. By simplifying the technical aspects of e-commerce, Shopify allows you to focus on what truly matters, building your brand, connecting with your customers, and ultimately, achieving your business goals. With its comprehensive suite of tools and its intuitive interface, Shopify stands as a leading solution for anyone looking to venture into the world of online retail. It's a truly robust platform for establishing and expanding your e-commerce operations.